Bakit? Tayo ba?
Well, yeah. Wait. Hindi ba? But we kissed.
Boss, pwede naman kasing magtanong, di ba?
Kimberly Liwanag, will you give me the privilege of being my girlfriend?
Copy po.
How about my wife?
Uy, boss, wag naman ganun. Bilis naman po masyado, hinahinay lang.